Imagine a world where you do not need to pull out your phone to change a song. Imagine controlling your entire digital life with a simple tap of your finger. You might think the next big leap in technology is a massive headset or a new folding screen. But the truth is much smaller. The truth fits right on your hand. Apple's next major wearable is no longer a question of if it will happen. It is only a question of when it will arrive. For years, all the signs in the tech world have been pointing toward one very clear direction. Apple is quietly preparing a smart ring. And if you look closely at the company's long-term strategy, this move feels completely inevitable. It is not a guess anymore. It is a calculated plan. We have already seen exactly how Apple enters new product categories. They have a very specific playbook. Think back to when the Apple Watch debuted in 2015. Apple was not early to the party. Smartwatches already existed everywhere. Competitors like Pebble and Android had already experimented with dozens of different designs and features. But Apple waited. They watched the market. They refined the core concept. And then they delivered a product that completely set the standard. They created a design philosophy that still defines what a smartwatch is today. Apple let others make the early mistakes, and then they swooped in to perfect the experience. That exact same pattern is now playing out all over again. This time, it is happening with smart rings. The product category itself has already been completely validated. Devices like the Oura Ring 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Ring have done the heavy lifting. They have proven beyond a doubt that users are comfortable wearing a ring full-time. People love them for health tracking. They love them for sleep monitoring. They love the passive data collection that happens without looking at a screen. Because of this, Apple's upcoming move is not about testing market demand. The demand is already there. Apple's goal is about elevating the entire experience. They want to take what a smart ring can do and integrate it deeply into their massive, powerful ecosystem. If you want absolute proof, all you have to do is look at Apple's patent history. This makes their master plan even clearer. Filings focused strictly on smart rings go back for years. One of the most revealing is a patent from 2019. This patent described a wearable electronic ring computing device. This was not just a vague, highly conceptual idea. The patent detailed a ring that featured its own miniature display. It included an integrated microphone. It featured advanced biometric sensors. And most importantly, it detailed direct, seamless interaction with other Apple products. In effect, Apple was outlining a compact, always-on companion device. It was a ring-sized evolution of Apple's entire wearable philosophy. They were designing a tiny computer for your finger. The follow-up patents from Apple have only continued to build on that strong foundation. A major filing in 2020 focused heavily on gesture-based controls. This is where things get truly exciting. This technology would allow the ring to act as a highly precise input device. Imagine pointing at your Apple TV to pause a movie. Imagine swiping your finger in the air to scroll through a menu. Later patents expanded on this even further. They detailed pressure-sensitive surfaces on the ring. They talked about physical sensors capable of triggering specific actions across multiple different devices. All of this reinforces one massive idea. The Apple Ring is meant to control your world, not just track your heart rate. What truly separates the upcoming Apple Ring from all existing smart rings on the market is ecosystem integration. This is Apple's ultimate superpower. This device is clearly designed to work completely seamlessly with your iPhone, your iPad, and your Mac. It will talk to your Apple Watch. It will even connect instantly with accessories like your Apple AirPods Max. The Ring becomes a silent, always available interface. It becomes something you do not have to look at. You do not have to unlock it. You do not even have to think about it. It just works in the background, bridging the gap between you and your devices. Apple has also explored other alternative wearable placements in related patents. They have looked into designing smart anklets. They have even researched lanyard-style devices that you wear around your neck. This signals a move. Broader strategy for the company. Apple is highly focused on all-day wearables that simply disappear into your daily routine. They want to create technology that stays constantly connected but never gets in your way. It is the ultimate form of ambient computing. You wear it, you forget about it, but it constantly serves you. Put all of these puzzle pieces together, and the final picture is absolutely clear. Apple is not just experimenting in a lab. They are executing a massive, long-term plan. The Apple Ring fits perfectly into the company's grand trajectory. They are moving towards smaller, more ambient, and much more intelligent devices. When the Apple Ring finally arrives, it will not feel like a strange new category. It will feel like the next natural, expected step in the evolution of the Apple ecosystem. In my honest opinion, this product is going to completely dominate the market the second it launches. The Oura Ring is fantastic, and the Samsung Galaxy Ring is a great piece of tech. But neither of them has the power of the Apple ecosystem behind them. The true value of the Apple Ring won't just be how well it tracks your sleep. The true value will be how perfectly it acts as a magical key to unlock, control, and interact with every other Apple device you own. It is going to change the way we interact with technology on a fundamental level. It will make screens less demanding and actions much more intuitive. I believe it will be the most successful wearable launch since the original Apple Watch. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple Ring? Will it replace your smartwatch, or will you wear both? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.